One of the most important things that we are looking at in terms of, especially in Maharashtra, as MITRA, in terms of green transition, is on both the supply side as well as the demand side. So, when we look at the individual supply side issues, the main issue when we are looking at a green transition is that there are very few use cases that are able to come out of it, and most of the projects that we are which are green projects on the government side, they are not really financially viable in many cases. So, what we are now doing is that we have to come out with a mechanism for being able to mark them which are economically viable and be able to take them up. So the problem is a lot of this economic minus financial viability thing is has not really been coded. So there is a concept of natural capital accounts. So in Maharashtra we are doing a data driven project. So in which we are trying to come out with this natural capital accounts for all these green energy transitions. So I think that will be very useful to be able to take up a lot of these projects at a mass scale. Second thing, I think, like he said about the green hydrogen thing. So we have just signed up to create a green hydrogen cluster in Mumbai. It's, I think, the second cluster in India. So one of the issues that we kind of faced was when we started with our green hydrogen policy, we said that 50 KTPA plant will be given a subsidy. But then we had to come down and modify it to make it 10 KTP because largely there are very practical issues with respect to the demand of take of it as well as the cost of it. So in that case, the government really has to step in to understand the needs of the private sector.